there's a boring little habit that quietly beats almost every clever investor you'll ever meet. It costs about $300 a month. It requires no skill, no timing, and no luck. And the people who do it tend to end up richer. Richer than those who spend their lives chasing the next big thing. This is not a get-rich-quick video. It's almost the opposite. What I'm about to show you is slow, unexciting, and completely within your reach. That's exactly why it works. The flashy strategies fail most people. This boring one quietly wins. By the end of this video, you'll understand why. And the part most people get wrong is closer to the end than you'd expect. Let me show you the math first, because the numbers are almost hard to believe. Most people think you need a huge salary to build wealth, or a lucky stock pick. You don't. You don't. You need a modest amount, an automatic system, and time. $300 a month, invested steadily at a normal market rate. In 30 years, that's around $340,000. The same habit run a little longer crosses $500,000. You didn't pick a single winning stock, you just refused to stop. So leave a like. Let me walk you through how something this simple beats almost everyone. The first thing to understand is why boring beats brilliant. Most investors lose to themselves, not to the market. They jump in when things look exciting. They bail out when things look scary. They chase the hot tip, then flee the dip. Every one of those moves costs them. The boring investor does none of it. They set up an automatic transfer and walk away. No emotion, no guessing, no drama. And over decades, that calm consistency crushes the clever person who's constantly tinkering. There's actual research on this. Studies show the average investor earns far less than the funds they invest in. How is that possible? Because they buy and sell at the wrong times. The fund goes up over the years. The investor, jumping in and out, captures only a fraction of it. The boring investor who never touches anything captures the whole thing. The market rewards the person who shows up every month, not the one who tries to outsmart it. The second thing is the quiet power of automation. Here's the trick that makes the whole thing work. You don't rely on willpower. You remove yourself from the decision entirely. The money leaves your account the day your paycheck lands, before you ever see it. A teacher I came across set up an automatic transfer, $300 every payday. She jokes that she forgot her login on purpose. Out of sight, out of temptation. 10 years later, she had built a serious nest egg, and she barely felt the money leave. Spending what you never see is almost impossible. That's the entire secret. Make the good decision once, then let the system carry it for you. The third thing is how small amounts become enormous ones. This is where most people lose faith too early. For the first few years, almost nothing seems to happen. $300 a month feels invisible. The account grows slowly. People get discouraged and quit right here. That's the tragedy, because the real magic lives in the later years. Picture a snowball at the top of a hill. The first few rolls barely add anything, but each layer grabs the next. Soon it's gathering snow faster than you can believe. Money works the same way. Your early contributions do the heavy lifting of getting the ball rolling. Then your returns start earning returns. By year 20, growth alone adds more each year than you ever put in yourself. Let me make that concrete. In the early years, your contributions are almost all of your balance. By the later years, most of your balance is growth. Money you never earned at a job. The money is making money, and that new money is making money too. That's the moment compounding stops being a word in a textbook and starts being real. The boring habit didn't change. The size did. The fourth thing is why the rich protect this engine above all else. Wealthy investors understand something most people don't. The fastest way to ruin compounding is to interrupt it. Pull money out early, panic sell, skip contributions. Every one of those resets the snowball. You knock it back down the hill. So the disciplined investor guards the streak like it's sacred. They keep an emergency cushion separate, so they never have to raid the investment. They reinvest every bit of growth instead of spending it. They treat the contribution like rent that must be paid. Protection isn't glamorous, but it's the difference between a snowball that becomes an avalanche and one that melts. The fifth thing is the part I promised you, the part most people get wrong. It's reinvesting instead of withdrawing. Here's the costly mistake. People let their gains pile up as cash, or they pull the dividends out to spend. It feels harmless. it quietly cripples the whole machine. Every dollar of growth you reinvest becomes a new worker, earning more growth. Every dollar you pull out is a worker you sent home. A man I came across had invested for 15 years, but he always cashed out his dividends for small treats. His co-worker, same income, reinvested everything automatically. After 2 decades, the co-worker had nearly double. Same market, same starting point. One let the snowball keep rolling, the other kept scraping snow off the top. Reinvesting isn't a clever trick. It's just refusing to leave your money idle. The 6th thing is consistency through the scary times. And this is what separates the people who make it from the people who don't. The market will drop. It always does. Headlines will scream. Friends will tell you to get out. The boring investor keeps buying anyway. In fact, when prices fall, their automatic $300 buys more shares than before. They're getting a discount while everyone else panics. Years later, those scary day purchases turn out to be the best they ever made. Consistency isn't just about the good times. It's about refusing to stop when stopping feels smartest. The person who keeps the habit through the storm ends up wealthy. The 7th thing is what this does to the rest of your life. When your investing runs on autopilot, your mind is free. You're not glued to charts. You're not anxious about every headline. You're not chasing the next thing that might finally make you rich. You already have a system doing that quietly in the background. That peace is its own reward. The clever investor is exhausted, always hunting, always second-guessing. The boring investor sleeps fine and watches the number grow. One treats money like a constant battle. The other set it up once and let time do the work. The 8th thing is the one excuse that keeps people poor. They say they'll start when they earn more, when the raise comes, when the debt is gone, when life settles down. But life never fully settles down. There's always a reason to wait. And every year you wait is a year the snowball doesn't get. Here's the part that hurts. Starting with $50 today beats starting with $500 in 5 years. Time matters more than the amount. The early dollars get the most compounding cycles. So the worst thing you can do is wait for the perfect moment to begin. The boring habit only works if it actually starts. Small, and now beats big and later. Almost every time. So let's bring this together. You don't need to be brilliant. You don't need to be lucky. You don't need to time anything. You need $300 a month, an automatic transfer, the patience to leave it alone. That's the whole strategy. Picture yourself 30 years from now. You're looking at an account worth more than you ever earned in a year. Not because you outsmarted the market, because you refused to stop feeding a boring habit. That version of you isn't a genius. They were just consistent. Now you can be too. Here's what to do tonight. First, open or log into an investment account. Second, set up an automatic transfer you can sustain, even if it's smaller than $300 to start. Third, promise yourself you won't touch it, no matter what the headlines say. Don't wait for more money or a better time. The boring habit started today beats the brilliant plan you never begin. Watch the next video on screen about why holding cash can quietly make you richer, and subscribe so you don't miss what's coming.